Okay, now see here, just want to tell me or tell me why you have to go for background work process. Here one of these is first reading. So reducing the load balance of dialogue work process, you can scheduling into the so that reports into the like you can scheduling as a what is the work you want to able to
Okay.
you can scheduling into the dialogue to you can maintain as a background work process. First reason
Yeah.
is so reducing as a load balance of dialogue or process. Okay, even you have to observe the diagram. What we observe for this diagram, number one in this one. So one application level is there, non-application dispatch is there. Dialogue versus background. I said it both are different. Both are in reverse format. So dialogue is nothing but directly and dialogue means I want to running as any report in dialogue mode means you want to able to run. Even if you able to cancel that you are able to cancel the those reports or programs anything. But what is meaning the background there?
Okay.
You know, see the diagram what happened? So dialogue symbol is a heart symbol is nothing but dialectic running is very fast. Okay, and when you go for background is nothing but long running. It's like you see this size, so the size is very high. Okay,
Yeah.
means long running reports are expensive reports are time taking reports. You want to scheduling as a background. For example, my target is so I want to take it as a weekly backup. Okay, every week, every Friday or Sunday, sorry, Saturday, Sunday, I want to take the backup. Okay, so
Yeah.
when you take the other day, when you take the backup, what time server is free? So you want taking as a backup, I think you're ready because you know that online backup, offline backup, read back backup. Suppose I want to go for offline backup, what is required? So we want to wait for the system downtime. So then only you take the
Yeah.
backup. So that's fine. So when the server is done, only on night times, that is also only Saturday or Sunday maybe. Okay, when you go for
Yeah.
daytime is nothing but somebody is log on. Okay, somebody is log on. Okay, doing something. Okay, any users will be log on. Okay, users will be log on. So basically will work. So at the time what we'll do? So at the time what we'll do? You can compulsory. You can take it only night time. Sir, at midnight time I'm not wake up at midnight 12 o'clock. I'm not wake up 1 o'clock. Then what that time what we'll do? So I can scheduling into the backup into the background mode as per my requirement. Okay,
Yeah.
so I want to say see here with the control. So as per your particular date and time, and you can selecting as a your background like you're scheduling it the job into the background mode. So, sir, how you said the backup is successful? Yes, tomorrow when you come into office, I want to check it. So last night, what is the backup I am taking that is successfully or not? Suppose it is failure, again what will do? Again you want taking as one more time backup. Anything
Yeah.
is so you want to scheduling the back, you want to scheduling the so and so job in background mode, non-interactive mode. So you don't have just scheduling and just left automatically getting as a either finished state or either cancel state. So you say finish your session is nothing successfully completed. Suppose you want to getting as a cancel state is nothing but so and so server will be there based on the problem. I want to react it, I can troubleshoot it again. I can again reschedule it to the background mode or dialog mode.
Yeah.
Here, what are the advantages in the request? So you want reducing the user interaction. First of all, user interaction is not available, and you can schedule it as per your timing. Any time when the server is free, you can schedule it automatically. Midnight, 12 o'clock, more and so on, so time. Okay, that's the scheduling aspect. So now here, so what is what are you understanding for dialogue work process? What are the importance from the what are the important time? So the last class we're discussing as the same thing. Okay, what is meaning of background? So what is the meaning of dialogue work process? And what are the important points? Same points will be repeated here also. So now coming to what are the important points from background work process? First of all, what is the first point here? Background work
Yeah.
process. What is the first point you're writing? What is meaning of dialogue purpose? Last just notes. Like what are the notes? Same notes will be there here. Okay. Background work process. Background work process, which stands for background. The first point, well, first point definition. Last position. So dialogue work process is handled by the user request. That's fine. Now here, what is meaning of background work process? Nothing but okay. Background work process. Okay, background work process handled by. Okay, what we do? Long running. Long run is nothing but next time it's more time it's long running or a expensive. Expense is not for time. This expense is not a money waste. It's a time waste. Okay, expensive. Okay, or a long running expensive or time taking. Okay, programs running on without user interaction. Okay, without user interaction. Okay, user interaction. So it is called as a okay, without user request, without user interaction, you can schedule into background mode. Okay, it is called as a background mode also. The simple definition is background work process is nothing but long running and without user interaction mode. This one. Okay. So again, what the next point is discussing last class. So second point, each applicant server. Okay. Each applicant server minimum. Okay. Two background work processes compulsory for latest versions. Okay. Minimum two background work processes compulsory. And maximum how many? Last class we discussed. Maximum how many? Maximum
Maximum
100
100.
back processes. Okay, so how to check whether the minimum to and maximum where we go? So you're getting to the parameter concept. What is the parameters concept here? Audit slash WP underscore number underscore BTC. Only last name is changed. BTC for background job technical name. Okay, maximum 100 again the same parameter. Audit slash WP underscore number underscore BTC equal to 100. So where is this parameter? Where is this parameter? User transaction code RZ and RZ. Again, this concept we will discuss in depth level in further questions. Okay, this is the second point. Okay, each application server minimum two background work process and maximum 100 background work process required. How to set minimum two and maximum? You can use this parameter or slash WP underscore number underscore back BTC for background job. Okay, so minimum two and maximum where we see. And next, what is third point? Dialogue will provide a turn point. Okay, how to monitoring the background work process. Okay, our background jobs. So last class we are discussing how to monitoring as a. So what happened? How to monitoring as a. So dialogue work process. So again, how many methods is there? How many ways you can monitoring? So it can be divided
SAP
into first of all SAP level, or transition co level, or application level. So so how to monitoring as a dialogue or process in SAP level? What are transition you're using? Using as a SM50 and SM51 and SM66. What is SM50? SM50 is for open process verbally. Okay, SM66 is for global or process yesterday nodes. Okay, now same here, how to monitoring the background work process in SAP level using the two transition code. One is for, okay, one is for SM36. What is SM36? Is for define the background job. Okay, define the background job. And after that, you can monitor the background job. Whether the background job is successfully done with the using the transition code SM36. Okay, and what is the next level? Next level is the OS level, but here there is no OS level. Directly we have only on directory levels. Okay, directory level. So what is directory is there here? The syntax is where we store this overall background work process background job at OS level is nothing but you can using as a so directories. Syntax user slash sap search SID slash okay slash global directory. So last let's discuss. So where we store this overall from dialog process USS slash SAP slash work process slash work directory. Now it is a global directory. Example, suppose I want installing a SAP software in my E drive. So USS slash SAP slash my SAP slash global directory. This is the directory level. And next level is what is the list level here? DB level. So how to check the tables? DB is nothing but, so the data will be stored in the format tables. So how to check the tables? Last few days classes you discussed this. Okay, in SAP
Yeah.
example, I want to able to see the table. What is the transition you're using? Either SS16, either XC16N, okay, either SM30. Last class you're discussing tables can be divided into three types: standard table, user table, and role table. Standard table starting letter T letter, user tables are starting with USL, role tables are starting with Asia. So last class you discussed this. Okay, now here I want to checking as a background, okay, background jobs. So you're using as a go for transition code SS16 or SS16 or SM30. So type the code. So standard level T BTC. T stands for table, BTC stands for background job, technical background job. Okay, background job. So means with these two tables actually you have to go for, and you're getting us two table name. The two table names are TBTC and TBTCS. Okay, TBTCS and TBTCS. So overall background O is nothing but overview, S is nothing but scheduling background job. So this is that one table, this is the one table. Okay, so what is the T stands for table, for BTC for background jobs overview. Overall background jobs overview will be storing as definitions will be storing as a first table, and scheduling background jobs is storing as a second table.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the third point. And what a fourth point we discussed? What a fourth point we discussed this. So how many types of status is available into the dialog work process? Same thing, Gaurav. Okay, so how many status of, so I said no, so how you say based on the status only you can define it. Okay, so how many status of background job? So again, how many last list, how many is there? Dialog work status, it can be divided into six types. Now
Yes.
coming to background also will be an six type, can be divided into
Six
six
types. Yeah.
types. Wonderful. First of all, schedule. First one is the schedule. Okay. Second one is the release. Okay. Second one is the release. Okay. Third one is the ready. Okay. Fourth one is the, so the sequence is compulsory. You have to miss the sequence. Even if you have to go for certificate exam, the questions will be a sequence is compulsory. So when you're scheduling as a background job in background work process, what is status is there and what is sequence is follow. So first of all, is go for scheduling. After that is go for, okay. After that is go for release. After that is go for ready. After that is go for active. After that is go for either finished, either cancel. Because of finished is nothing but successfully completed. Cancel is nothing but you are getting a so and so error. Okay, so this status is available, and even here one more extra point is there here. Sir, how many start conditions? Start condition is nothing but I want scheduling as a background job. Okay, and final condition. Okay, how many start condition? Okay, will be having. Sorry, how many start conditions of background job? Okay, how many stages again? It can be divided into six types. It can be divided into six types. Okay, the first one is called as a immediate. As soon as possible, I want to scheduling as a background job, so I can go for immediate condition. Or else I want to go for particular date and time, so you can go for the condition is date and time. Or else I want to go for one job is finished after like at, so this called as like at event. One more is there. Sorry, I forgot this. Is sorry, one first. Immediate, so date and time. At operation mode. Okay. At practice calendar. Yes. At practice calendar. At particular working hours. Okay. The next one is uh, after job. Okay. And next one is after event. Like one job is finished and you go for after. So these are the conditions is available. Like you want to scheduling as a background job. Okay, you can based on these conditions only. I want to do immediately as soon as possible. Or you want to go for particular date and time. So as per your requirement, at operation mode, at practice calendar, after job, after the event. So these are the conditions is available. Okay. So And next one, so this is the and by default last and final last class audit dialogue process responsibilities taking us on so is defined. And last and final point, what is the last point you discussed? So what is the maximum? Okay. So what is the maximum ideal time for dialogue work process? Okay, same thing here. What is the maximum ideal for background work process? So it is nothing but so maximum ideal time is okay, maximum time is 60 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, background work process. Okay. Last time we discussed dialogue work process, how much is that? 600 seconds. But coming to background work process, how much is the only at 60 seconds. How to set is nothing but last week discussing the parameter. Here also you can discuss the parameter. Anyway, the points is common. Only meanings will be different. The dots will be different. So remaining points will be common. So the points like so our disk slash btc underscore time. So it should be on 60 seconds. Okay. So these are the points will be there. Okay. Now I want to go for practical session. So I want checking as a one by one point. Okay. So how to define the background job and how to schedule the background job with the background mode. So how to do it? So we go for practical session one by one. Okay. These are the points. So you have to clear over one by one points. One by one, we can discussing in depth level. Okay, so
Okay.
now my requirement is so first of all, what is the purpose of you want to go for background job? So I want to scheduling as any task, any long running task like upgradation, backup, client copy, so anything. So like okay. So to reducing the load balance of dialogue or process, you want running the background mode. Now, how to schedule the background jobs in background mode, and even just thinking about like I said, ABAP guys or HR guys or MM guys or other guys are putting at the sounds report. So those are mailing to you. So Srini, so hi basis team. Today I want to creating the sounds or report name. So you can run into the background mode and check the just please revert me to the revert tool. What are any errors will be there? Please revert me back. So what the time what we do? I want to take the report name. Okay, I want to take the report name. So I want to creating as a one background job. I can scheduling as a background mode. Okay, then I want to run it. So I can check it. So okay, even HR report like even salary report. Salary reports also you only scheduling. HR guys are reviewing a so report. So you want to take that report name and you can scheduling as per your requirement. Okay. So how to scheduling will be discussed one by one. So again the background jobs is series two types is there. What is the difference? Now okay. So now I want to go for a practical session. Okay, please I want to make a present or you. So log
Okay.
on to SAP system now.
Okay.
So how to define the background job? Okay, and where we define the background job.
Yeah.
Full screen is
Can you see my Can you see my screen?
yeah now I'm able to see. Okay, so log on to SAP software.
See. Okay.
Okay, now we want to do transition code SM36. So how to define the background job is nothing but go for transition code SM36. SM36. So now what we do here, so I can define the background job. See here, what is that meaning? SM36 is nothing but define the background job. Means you want to create the background job, you can scheduling as per your requirement. Okay. Now here, enter the job name should be compulsory starting with ZR violator because background jobs is also again divided into two types. So by default, we're getting as a like A2X letters is go for standard background job. Customizing background jobs are using as a ZR violator up 32 character you can use. Okay. So enter the background job name. So once you want to enter the background job, you can schedule it. It cannot be read back. So you can compulsory you want to remember the background job name, then only it is possible. So right, so enter the background job name, just click on OK, what just enter it, manually enter it, just click on J. After that, department, which department I want to scheduling as report. Okay, so now I'm just assume, so above guys are given to the so and so report, so that will be report, that will be scheduling to the background mode. Okay, now you're writing as jet underscore above underscore writer jet underscore above underscore and report name. What are the report? In real time, those are giving as a okay. Real time, those are giving as a this. Okay, but coming to here, okay, but you don't have anything now. So by default, you can do some standard reports for practice purpose. Okay, use a report name RSPO1041. Take this report name RSPO 1041. 1041. Okay, fine. Okay, that's the report name. In real time, I said the job name is your wish. But under job name, you can running as so and so programming and so and so report. That will be standard. So in mail, what those are mentioned, you can compulsory maintain the report name only. Your naming is just understanding purpose. Okay. And next one is job class. What is meaning of job class is nothing but priority. So what by default, what the class is there? C. So what is meaning of C? So actually by default, three priorities is there. The first priority is called as A. A is nothing but okay high priority. B is nothing but low priority. C is nothing but so sorry. A for high priority, B for medium priority, C for low priority. Just browse it. Go for job class and browse it. Actually, there is a browsing option. Yes, just browse it. You're getting as a priority. A priority, B priority, C priority. A for high priority, B for medium priority, C for low priority. Maximum 99% all background jobs will be scheduling as a low priority only because we see user is not a user interaction mode. It's a non-user interaction mode. By default, you have to go for C only, and even getting as a binary is by default C only. Okay. And what the status is? Status you cannot change. So by default, based on your actions, automatically the status will be changed. Again, previously the status can be done how many types? Statuses can be done totally 6 types. What are those? It's a sequence is compulsory. First one is scheduling. Okay, after that is go for released. After that is go for active. After that is go for sorry release. After that is go for ready. After that is go for active. Other that is go for either finish status, either cancel status. Okay. Now is this what is the status is that the scheduling status is only there. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you want to doing some operations. Okay. Then automatically is go for release. After that is go for active. So as per your requirement. Okay. So as per your
Okay.
sorry. Now here external target where we scheduling this target. Next one is external target is nothing but so where we scheduling this job like which server you want to running this job where which server you can schedule this background job. Okay, just browse it. You're getting a server name. Means where you so you're getting a your server name. Okay, select your server name. Okay, suppose I'm not giving a server name. At the time, what happened? Sir, you have only one server. So by default, you don't give any naming also. This server only will be executed. The report Java is executed to the this report like a sorry, the job is running to this particular server only. But in real time, you have a lot of servers is there like instance number 01, instance number 02, instance number 03, instance number 04. Like we have a lot of is there. So you can scheduling as per your requirement. Which server is free? So I can scheduling as this background job so and so target. That is the meaning of external target. Okay, sir, I want to create the background job, but till now I'm not assigning as any report. Okay, till now I'm not assigning any report name. So then what we'll do? Just click on save button.
Okay.
Okay, spool list that we'll discuss later. Okay, because of that is a printing concept. Okay, now click on save button. Now you'll be getting as a 3 steps. So you're getting a see here what are the 3 steps is there? So user ID, program values. What are the program values here? So by default, okay, by default. So when you just click on save button, means this background job you can define in as three steps. What are the three steps here? Either above program, either external command, either external program. Above program is nothing but the above program is predefined by the above developer. Means in above developer what this program is given, you can just enter the program as per your requirement.
Okay, so I can browse and he will
No, no,
give
no,
the.
no, just you can browsing, but we get a lot of reports. So I had using some standard report, but in real time, so those are giving us some standard reports. Okay, just write out, just close this. I can give some report name. So just write out RSPO 1041. Sir, what is the purpose of this? So later reflections will be discussed. Okay, RSPO 1041. Okay, and next one is variant. So just select the variant and browse it. Variant is nothing but every program will be having as a particular input and output values. So those will be storing as a variant only. Now select any one variant as per the requirement. Now I won't select anything. I don't have any restriction. You are the web developer. You are the business consultant. Now you can taking anything. Okay. Select any one variant name.
Okay.
Okay. So at a time only one program will be defined. Okay. Click OK button. Okay. Now by default, now click on check button. Below is there. So I want to say that program is existed or not. The report is correct or not. Just click on check it. So what happened? Don't getting any error means is correct. Suppose you want to give as a 4-5, give the 4-5, remove the 4-1, give the 4-5, just checking purpose like is working or perfectly or not. RSPO 1041 you given, you giving as a 4-5, 4-5, okay, 4-4, okay, no problem. No, anything is 4-4 also not. Just click on check button. So now just click on check. So what happened? You're getting as one pop-up. What a pop-up is? The program is invalid. So means the program is not existed. Yeah, that's why it's compulsory. What we'll do, you want to make a standard reports. As a basis concern, you don't do anything here. By default, you can just give this. Okay, so giving as inverse. So you have to give the proper report name. So what the above consultant will be given. So you don't do anything here. Just you want like above consultant what the report is getting. Just take the report and paste it here. Okay, then you have to scheduling as a background mode. Okay, then just click on check and save. Why I'm doing the checking is nothing but I want to check the program has existed or not. Just click on check and save it now. Then there are one more option is suppose again the same background job I want to scheduling as a one more report. Again what we'll do again click on create button. Again is pop up with the three steps. Again click on create button. Okay. Now again enter one more report name RSPO 1043.
Yes.
PO 1043. So now you do your link, okay, if it is okay, but when you go for real time, everything is given by the only on ABAP consulting. Okay, and variant name. So variant is coming is nothing but okay, the program is there. Okay, Sunny Kenny and variant. Okay, then click on check and save. Check and save it. Yes. Okay, now see here. So one background Java, how many steps you can define? No? One background job,
Two.
two reports you're running. Okay, like more than also you can running. The symbols is there now music, play band, play one. It's like you want to defining as one background job, you can defining as a maximum number of steps, maximum number of reports. So you don't have limitation, you have to go for unlimitation. Okay, then go back. So that's why the symbols is there. First page, next page, previous page. The icons is there now. Okay, this. Okay, now so here just click on now below what happened. No, no, don't go for back. AI is not saved successfully. Go for SM36 exam.
Uh,
So
yes.
two times backs. That's why you're getting as a back two times. So again create one more time. Is not saved. Okay, again do it was same process. Go for transaction code SM36. Okay, Define the background job name. Like see that SAP underscore above ABAP underscore RSPO. This okay. Now click on save button. Extend target. Even you don't select extend target, what happen? By default, you have only one server. Automatically take that jobs is scheduling the server only. Now enter the report name RSPO1041. Browsing will take lot of time. Okay. The variant name. Browse it and select the variant name. Yeah, browse it. Okay. Save it. Okay. So again, we have to assign one more report also. Okay. RSPO1043. Okay. Select the variant name. Okay. Again, click on check and save. Okay. Then just one time only back. Now just click on save button. Now what happened? Just click on save. What happened now? Below you're getting as a so okay fine. Now again, what the status is there till now? What the status below? You're getting as some status. What the status is there? Scheduled only.
Scheduled.
Even how many steps you define? See here, 2 steps is successfully defined. Sir, I'm not getting is why? Because you will just say what we do just now. You want to get one background job. You are assigning as a only on reports, but not scheduling as particular condition, particular get date and time. Okay. Then I want to run this background job so and so time and so and so particular condition. Then just click on start condition. Start condition option is there in the first icon. Define the bias, just click on. Again, just in previously discussed, just now you discussed in notepads. Again, conditions can be done how many types? 6 types. Immediate, okay, date and time, after job, after event, at operation mode, and next the arrow mark is the activity calendar. So you're looking at US calendar, UK calendar, okay, the German calendars, Australia calendar, as per the calendar, okay, workday you can schedule it. That is the condition. Okay, below arrow marks is then selected. So now I want to see this background schedule in the background job immediate as soon as possible. So I want to check that. Okay, let's click on start condition. So select the condition is immediate. Just click on immediate. I want to run this background job immediately, but I want to see the output. Okay, again click on check and save button. So I want to check either the server is free or not. Just click on check. Suppose server is busy, you're getting other. So just click on menu check, you're getting other one pop-up. What a pop-up you're getting, the server is busy. Now when the job is started now, already started. So when we just what happened now here, immediately will be started. Now click on save button. Now what the status is getting. Now click on save button. Below observe what the status is getting. What the status is getting? Released.
Jobs status released.
So status is released. After release, what is next status is getting is a ready. After ready is go for active. After active is go for as a either finished either cancelled. So how to check whether the background job is successfully completed or not. So at that time what we'll do, where we monitoring whether the background job is monitoring like whether the background job is created successfully, scheduling successfully or not. Where we check, go for transition code SM37. Copy this report, copy this background job name because of I want to see this background job only. Copy this background job name. Go for transition code SM37. Okay. So how to check whether the background job is successfully running or not? So what is status is getting? So SM37 is a daily task for basis consultant. Defined is not a daily task, but monitoring is a daily task. Anybody scheduling as a background, you are the responsible person. You checking as it that it is executing successful or not. Okay, you can monitoring them. Okay, now enter the background job name. Again, just click just click on schedule status. Wait.
Go back.
No issues. You're getting as the C. What the status is getting? After ready, automatically is go for active status. Okay. What the status is this? Background job name, spool logs, job is created, and what the status is the active. So select the background job, just refresh, it is getting as either finished either within fraction of seconds. Select the job and first icon is the refresh icon. Okay, it is getting as a either finished either shown. Just wait. Okay, again you not selected properly, just you selecting means you're getting a tick mark. Yes, now click on refresh button. So wait for some time. So it's getting as a scheduling just now. So you're getting as a either finished either cancelled. Okay. Sir, I want to see the logs also. Just click on the background job name. Just click on job logs. Icon is in a. Just click on that. Just the job name. Select the job name. Choose here. Choose a valid entry, but at least choose the background job name and just click on job log. When this will be started, what the time it will be started. Okay, when it's finished. So okay, everything will be screen. Now see here what happened. So job was started. Step one. What step one? What happened? RSPO 104N. Okay, that variant will be running on so and so user ID. And next one, second report is not. What is the second report? RSPO 1043. That is also is not running. So that's why it taking some time. Just please wait. Sometime is getting as a status is finished or cancelled. So cancel is nothing but you have some errors. So you want to inform to the above consultant. Sir, you are writing so and so report. The report will be hanging as a so and so problem. Please recheck your program once again and come back to me. Suppose it's finished as nothing, you have to inform sir. So your job is successfully running. There is no errors. Please run into the your. Please continue program. So you can message like this. Okay, anybody doing this, you are the responsible person. So again, refresh button. Just refresh it. Yes. It will take some time, no issues. Okay, you have to go for next concept. So this is the way of weekend monitoring. So I now what we get, you get status is finished. Even when you get up the class, we're getting as a finished status. Okay, this is the first condition. What is the first condition to this thing? Immediate. What is the meaning of immediate? As soon as possible. Within fraction of seconds, I want to see the output. So what is the next condition? What is the next condition? Date and time. I want to scheduling as a particular midnight, so today midnight or tomorrow midnight as particular date and time. So now again, go for transition code SM36. I want to create one background job name. Go back again, go for no problem. It's running this continuously, no issues. You don't have any interaction. By default, you can mount it. Okay. Now again, you want to create one more background job name, so that will be scheduling to the particular date and time. Do it now. Again, create the background job name. So any background job S underscore just sorry, ZRY letter Z underscore MM underscore. Now I want to scheduling as a MM department. Okay, Z underscore MM underscore. The report name is RSBTC Dell. RSBTC Dell.
BBC Dell.
BTC is missing. BTC for background job. Okay, BTC is nothing but background job. Dell is nothing but Dell. Okay, understood. RSBTC Dell. No spaces. Okay, everything is common. There is no underscore. Everything is only one. RS BTC.
Okay, BTC.
Yeah, RS BTC. There is no P also not there. BTC. Yeah, P. Remove the P.
RSBTC Dell.
Yeah, what is the meaning of this purpose is nothing but you want to delete the all background job. BTC for background job, Dell is nothing but delete. RS is nothing but report. Okay. Okay, again, now just click on save button. Okay, then automatically you can get against the steps. So you want to give any a report name. Just now you're writing the RS BTC Dell. Enter the report name.
RSBTC Dell.
Okay, now select the variant.
In case of this variant, I can select anything from the list, or they will define like here lot many things.
Anything what the report will be having based on the report, the variant will be displayed. Okay, in real time, now you're defining anything, but in real time, what those are choosing, you can schedule their zone. What are the details? Everything is
What is this mail
okay.
job in that one?
Yes,
What is that? If I can say mail job.
I don't know this because of that is caring by the above consultant. You are just scheduling.
Uh,
Okay, that report
okay.
also you don't know that
So
report.
he
Just you can scheduling.
will, okay.
Okay,
He,
you can
he will
yeah you
he
can
will
select yeah.
he will give this information then. Is that correct?
The information this is a predefined by the above developer in real time.
Okay.
Okay, then just
Now.
click check and save it.
Okay.
Okay, again if you only one job is fine. Okay, then go by. Only one step is fine. Okay, no issues. Now what happened? But
Yes.
what is the status is there? One step is successfully defined. Okay. What is the status again? The status is scheduled only. Now I want to schedule this background job today at midnight 12 o'clock. So not immediate. So just click on start condition. Just click on start
Mm-hmm.
condition.
Start condition.
Then you have to select the what is the condition. Select the condition is date and time. Select the date and time. It's asking at the scheduling start when the scheduling will be started. So just browse the calendar. Okay,
Okay.
select the calendar. So actually the software is this is server design. This is Roboron by default is getting 2015, 2017. Okay. Okay, it's not getting no issues. Select any date and time. Actually, server what the time is there, you can take that server because of those are in like those are not meant license version.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, select the date and time. Don't go fast. Now it is your present now 2013. Actually, the server time is just remove that. Actually, it is a hours many session. Go for once date. What the date the server is different 2015 or 2017. Browse it, just browse it. You have to highlight the today time. So you're getting as a choice 19th to 2018. Okay, 19th only. Okay, you can scheduling as a 19th so and so time. Okay, scheduling as 19th only. Okay, just click on OK button. Correct only. Click on OK button. OK button.
Okay.
2013 only. Take the 2013 only. Okay, that's the one. What is the highlight will be? This is server time. Okay, don't defining as per date and time. Because of those are proving as a like institution guys are using as a like a authorization illegal activity, so those extend the license. Okay, and next one, no start after. So you want to give a particular time, like when the this job is when the background job is finished, like you want to give us one time, like just like a summary, just is some time. Not so this job is running as 2 days, or this job is running as one day. Just assumption. No start after. Okay, give the date 21st. Again, below is there. Now you can give the condition also when this background job
Yeah. 21st.
approach it. Okay, next one 21st, 21st 08 2030. Again, why the date is came into 2012? Previously, that calendar is open 2013. Now, why this calendar is open this?
I don't know. It was here only 1 minute. You
Okay,
want?
okay, now it is okay. Okay, 2015. That's okay. No, no, 2020. Previously is getting in 2013.
Yeah. So now 2000, right?
Okay, yes,
Okay.
yeah, okay, and give the time.
Is it compulsory to view this time?
Yeah, no issues. Time and date is only date is fine. Okay, then just click on check and save. So
Mm-hmm.
that like check is nothing but that anybody scheduling the same date and time. Okay, please check it. Okay, no. Okay, start date is fast. So see here, start date is very fast. Just browse it. Start date is
Okay.
fast.
So now I'll check again.
Again fast only. Give that 2015 is better.
Okay.
2015, 2015. Just enter manually is better.
Okay. I can enter manually as well.
Or you can enter manually 2015, 2015. Below also 2015. Start days is fast. 2017 with the 2017 today date I think. Sir is taking this time. 2017. Give the 2017. Now also getting a check. Okay, now his check is accepting I think. Now click on check. Okay, now click on save it. Okay, I think when you check this background check when you cut 2016, no, when you go for 2016 anyway. Okay, okay. Now see here. So plan is style. Okay, plan is condition, plan is date and time, and again you'll be getting as it. So what we're getting, you're getting as a no starter. Okay, so where are you monitoring? So where the background job schedule is starting and running is not. Again, go for copy this background job. Where we check, go for transition code SM37 background. Just
Okay.
copy that. Yeah, you want to know that the background job is scheduling successfully. So you're getting the status is scheduling. Not when it is not active, not anything. Okay, because so the job is go for like so on so date and time. Not for today, not immediately. Okay.
Now information.
Just click on no. Like schedule. Click on scheduling. Scheduling status. Below checkbox is there, na? Scheduling, released, finished, everything is just check that scheduling checkbox and then click on execution button. Actually, the time is 2015 only. Okay, now just click on execution button. What happened? Why getting is two times is nothing but so you're using as a two times saving, that's why you're getting two times. So the status is only scheduling. When the status is getting as a release, when the status is getting ready, 15 is nothing but so you're scheduling so and so date and time now 2016, so and so date and so and so time, the background job is running, not now. Until that will be getting until the date will be getting as the status is scheduled only. Okay. So this is a way up you want to scheduling as a background job. What the condition? Particular date and time. Okay. So next one is what the next condition? After job. After job is nothing but one job is successfully completed, then automatically let's go for one more job. It's nothing but queue dependent, status dependent.
Okay.
Okay, again go for transition SM36. Here you only background job is common but only conditions. So based on your particular date and time, you can conditions you can define the condition. Either you want to schedule immediate, either scheduling as particular date and time, either you can scheduling as a after job, after event, or at operation mode, or fact category. So you know these two, okay, at operation mode and at category we'll discuss later classes because it's very big concept. And now you're discussing as a next one. What is next condition? Just assume. So you want to know go for so and so you want to scheduling a so and so. Just click on start condition. Then go for start condition once. Start after job. Just click on after job.
After job.
Third condition. What is the third condition? After job. What is the meaning after job is nothing but so you want to give us so on so on. For previously you said na Z underscore MM underscore RSV. So after job is finished, then automatically let's go for this job. You want to just click on start the status dependent. It's nothing but so then we'll be getting as a successfully done. Then only is this job is running means is waiting until is waiting as a queue format. Okay.
Okay.
So sorry, you don't know particular term. That's why maximum is not using. Just we have for the like we have some condition. In real time, there is no use of only using as a data time max. Maximum using a date and time only. Okay, either you go for immediately. Status dependent, you are waiting for so and so background job, and what is background job is you want to check the overall queues and everything. It is not possible, and even if checking is will take lot of tasks. So we just want to go for lot, we get a lot of process. Okay, and after the job and that operation will be discussed later. And next one, what the next one is? Go for next one, eclectic calendar. So means every country will be having separate calendar, and again under calendars I want to schedule as a particular working day. Just next try. Just click on the diorama. Yes. Now select the calendar. Just browse it. You are getting as a overall calendar list. Okay. Overall calendar list. So select any one calendar. Under this calendar, you want to select as a working day, which is the working day. Select any one. Total 34 calendars is available. Suppose your client is also client, at the time you can add this one more client candidate also. That is can be to the only basis. ABAP consultant can be to the adding, changing these applications. Okay, select any one calendar. Okay, next one working day. So you want to enter the working day number. Which day is your working day? So just you have to enter the manual like okay, beginning the month or ending of month. So you don't select any working day. So just click on so and so like so and so background job is working on so and so like your party calendar working day. Okay, select the working day 01, 02, 03, 04, 05 until you have to go for 99 days. By default 30 days is available, but you can put it as 90 days. The range is 99. Okay, you put it as 01. Don't give directly one, put it as two letters is compulsory 01. Okay, and condition. Okay, time and the time and the execution. Don't before that. Okay, then just click on check and save. So I want checking as that background job is the date is available or not. Again, click on check and save it. Now you don't have to create any background job. Just I say process. Okay, but how to action in particular condition. Just click on save button. And now see here what happened. So job is start. What happened now? You don't save it now. You don't give any job name now. You just have to schedule it. You have condition. You check the condition. Now see here. Suppose you want to create any background Z underscore, right? Z underscore. Again, you have to create one more background job. Again, yeah. Any again MM department MM underscore RSBT is the same background job. Putting as a one RSBT del 2 putting as del 2 BTC del 2 numeric is 2, yeah, then just click on save button. So after that assigning is report name RSBTC del 2 RSBTC del 2. It is for the sorry enter the program name, yeah, RSBTC del 2. Okay, now select the variant name. Okay, then click on check and save. Okay, then go back. Now click on save button. Now we're getting as the status is released because already you're scheduling as job name, already you're getting as a condition also. What is status is getting? What is status below? That status is go for released. So where we check when the background job is sending us successfully, when is released is nothing but so you want to go for so and so time. Now see what the time? 01/12/2015. So this is the day. Okay, this day you can check it. Where we check the background job is successfully and go for transition code lesson 37. So you want to go for this particular date, you can check it. Not now because of the date is 11th 2015 is the system date. Now when you scheduling this 01/12/2015, you can schedule this background job. Okay, so this is the way of you want to scheduling as a background jobs. Okay, and monitoring daily. Okay, now I want to go for some troubleshooting points from SM37. Okay, before you want to troubleshooting, I want checking each and every icon. So what the first icon will be there? Start condition. So start condition, what we discussed? Start condition, what we discussed? We are discussing as a four conditions. What are the four conditions you discussed? Remaining details will be discussed later classes. Okay, what are the condition? First condition discussing. What is the first condition you're discussing? Immediate. Below arrow
Immediate.
is there, na? Well, below. Okay, now tell what is the meaning of immediate?
You want to just run the job as soon as
As
schedule the
soon
job.
as possible, you can run the bag. So, what are the condition for date and time?
Yeah, date and time is not nothing but it's a scheduled one.
Yeah, particular exact date and time. Okay,
Yeah.
when there's background job, exact date and time we can mention. And what is the next condition? After job. What is the meaning of after job?
After job, if you want to run a job depend based on this job and the status
Yes.
upon this job.
Okay. Okay, next one. A factory calendar. What is a factory calendar?
Yeah, you can select a factory calendar based on your business and business area probably and maybe business requirement.
Okay. So remaining condition is this. So those are the conditions. Is that is the first one. So close this.
Yeah.
And next one is steps. So in one background job, how many steps you can define? Just click on how many steps you can do. Total steps will be on. Well, so just click on that steps. Next icon. Just click on next icon. Steps. Okay.
Yeah.
Steps is nothing but what the steps will be there. The steps is like a above program. Next one above like this one external command. External program is just now we're discussing only above programs. We scheduling as
Yeah.
only above program. So later class is discussing as the external command and external. What is meaning of external command and external program will be discussed later. Okay. And next one, go
Okay.
back. What is the next icon? Just go back. Go back.
After
Next one, job selection. When just click on job selection, which class is open? What is it? Just click on job selection. What
yeah,
is
I
this
did that.
actually? So what is this? What is this actually? This is SM37.
Okay, this is only SM37. Okay.
Yes, automatically is navigating from SM36 to here directly. You can monitoring whether the background job is successfully defined or not. Any errors is there. Okay, based on this you can check it. Okay, then go back. Okay, next one,
What is
own jobs means, sir, I forgot it. Today, what are the background jobs I'm practicing? Okay, your user ID, now see, GSC, user 2. So, what are background jobs is good. So, till now, you just number of background jobs you created. Now, see here, previously, first term, one created one background, so what happened? The status is what happened? Is getting as a finished, means successfully done.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, then fine. Okay, now here, now second remaining jobs. So means the user ID, what is the background jobs is there, and what is the status is there. Like your user ID, what your own jobs is nothing but your particular is not everyone. Your particular user GSI, GSI user 23, particular user how many background jobs is creating today. So that is everything is clearly here. Okay, and what are the status will be there. So based on the status, you can troubleshoot it. Okay, then go back.
Job is that.
Next one, job wizard means how to create the background job, or how to define the background job by using wizard. Just same thing. So what the difference is nothing but only a user interface is different. Everything is common. Okay, just click on continue. Yes. Now define the background job name. Again enter the background job name. This will be given some guidance. Okay, previously is getting as a SM36 will be having as a only a what happened you're getting as a no there is no navigation part. So there's no guide also. So now you're getting as a guide also. See here, enter the job name. Scroll down. Scroll down. You're getting as a general information. So you're getting as a what are tabs and everything. You can just scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, you're getting a job information. Yeah, enter the job name. Why I'm selecting as a job class. Why I'm selecting as a target server. Now see here why I'm selecting target server. So why selected target system is so when you're getting a system is getting a system load balancer, you can selecting as a target load balancer, so target server. Okay,
That
so you
job.
can get some guidance. Okay, when you go for SM36, at the time you define the background, you don't have any guidance also. But if you go for a wizard, you get some guidance. Okay, now enter the background job name.
Send underscore.
Okay, Z underscore so and so. Okay, already is there. You taking as a okay. Change the department at least. Already is there. Na? Z underscore HR underscore
Yes,
RSBTC del, same report.
HR.
HR underscore RSBTC del. Remove everything. So it is not possible to do this. RSBTC del.
RSB. Yes.
Okay, and job class. Second priority is dividing into three types. Low priority, high priority by default is low priority. Then click on continue. Just click on continue. What happened? Previously, what happened? Just click on save button, you're getting the steps. Now also you click on continue, you're getting the steps. What steps is there? Scroll down and just check it. What is meaning of above program? What is meaning of external command? What is meaning of okay. Now I want to extend the above program. Then click on continue. Okay, now enter the program name. Enter the program name RSBTC Del 2. Okay, and variant name. Browse it.
Then continue here.
Yeah. Click on continue. Again, if you want repeating step, you can check the checkbox. I don't want again, then click on continue.
Okay, it has given most option. Yeah, okay.
Now, I want to read it. Just scroll down. It above is in what is the meaning of immediately. Scroll down above in some descriptions is it. Read it. What is meaning of immediate? What is the meaning of immediate? No, see here. Okay, the job is everything is as soon as possible. Okay, so next one, date and time. So and date and time is nothing. What is date and time? Exact date and time. Okay, particular working day in month. What is that condition actually? Factory calendar. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Once job is
One.
fully, so that is go for after job. Okay, fifth one is nothing but one system user is getting an event occurring. Okay, and next one is a operation mode. Okay, so I want to scheduling as soon as possible. Just click on continue. Select the condition. So just click on continue. Okay, now it will display. Sir, you do this reporting and everything. Where we're running, whichever process will take this entire background job, you can scheduling as a. So where we go for it? Totally background. Now see here it will display how many background jobs is free. Okay. Now see here what happened. Read that. What happened when you just click on what happened? Now see here.
Now we start running as soon as
Yeah.
the finish
Job is
work.
running as soon as possible is complete. There available to the background work process because I want to show you background mode, not dialogue mode. Okay.
Previous specific
So,
start
yeah.
of the
Okay,
then
everything is there and periodical also. Even periodic is nothing but I want to like it's periodic is like every day, every week, every minute, or every hour will be running. You can select the periodic values. Now below will be getting as is here. So background job information, background resources is available. So job will be running on within minutes. Okay. Total how many background jobs is there for this server? How many jobbers will be free? But when you go for SF36, you cannot do anything. You don't know anything about that background jobs is free or not. You don't know anything about. But coming to here, what happened? It will show them. It will show this wizard. It will show them like how many background jobs is there, how many background jobs is free. Okay, for example, I have three background jobs. Two background jobs will be currently free. Like that, you're getting that option. When you go for SM36, you cannot define anything. Good. In normal, you scheduling as a without wizard, you don't getting anything. But here coming to here, it will display overall. Okay. Then click on continue. Just click on continue. Hello? Yes. Okay. Now
yeah.
you're getting as a overall summary once again. Now what happened? So your job is successfully defined. Why or just recap? Okay. Again, where you monitoring whether the background job is successfully defined or not? So again, where we go? You want to go for SM37 only.
Yeah.
Okay. What the difference is nothing but previously you're defining as a normally. Now you're deciding as using as a wizard based. Okay. Then click on complete. So nothing is there. The functionality coming to functionality wise is everything is same. Only looking wise is different. Okay.
Yeah.
And next one, most important one is standard bag. So even using the transaction code also. Transaction code is also there. How to define the background jobs by using wizard? Use the transaction code SM36 bis. Go for command. Once go for command box.
Command.
No, not here. Scheduling standard banks will be discussed with. Just I want to open the wizard. Without I don't go for SM36. I want to open the wizard. Okay, then go back. Once go back. Okay, just go back. Okay, use the transaction code. Okay, SM36 Wiz.
Yes.
SM36 Wiz. Wiz. W-I-Z. Wiz. Wizard is first three letters. Yes. Then click on enter button and automatically pop up this. Okay. So either you have to go for SM36, just click on job wizard, either you can go for directly using as a transaction code based. Okay. So this is the way you want to scheduling as a cancel it, no issues. Okay, same thing. Okay. Okay, now this is the way you want to scheduling as a customizing background job. Why I had to giving as a background job name is called as a Jadar violator is nothing but because I'm defining as a customer background jobs. Okay, now next to our task is how to schedule the standard background jobs. Even the standard background jobs is also called as a housekeeping jobs. Housekeeping jobs is nothing but in your system. So every day you are getting so many logs. Okay, you are getting so many logs. How to remove the logs is nothing but you can scheduling as a standard background job. You cannot creating, you can just selecting and scheduling. But when you go for when you go for customizing, you can create manually. But here by default you are getting as a report name. By default you want to get everything. Okay, now here our target is how to schedule the standard background job. Go for transition SM36. Just click on. So now below you'll be there. Below options then. Above is nothing but that process. Okay, below is then schedule the standard background jobs. Okay, select the component. Okay, component is nothing but which module you want to schedule the background job. Just browse it. I want to schedule the background job for basis department. Okay, BC. Where is the basis department? Its technical name is BC.
BSD.
BC, yeah, BC. Okay, basis also you can type basis. Okay, then click on FID. So it's getting us technical base. Just select that. Okay, select our module name.
BC.
Yes. Okay, now select the job name. Actually, previously you are entering manually, but here what happened? You can schedule it. Just you have to select it and pick. Okay. Now select any one background job. Below is there. Delete the whole background jobs. Okay, fine. Okay, now it is the background job name. Even when you enter the when you select the background, what happened? Automatically you're getting as job information. Automatically you're getting as a report name also. Okay. Okay. So now you have to selecting as a variant name.
Yep.
Yes. Variant name below. Variant name. Okay. Select the variant project. No values is for no problem. And the next one, select the server name. Below is there no variant is there. Select the server name.
Okay.
Okay. Now select the condition. How many conditions is there here? Only two conditions. When you go for customizing background job, how many conditions is there? So totally
Yeah.
you have totally sisters. Okay. One is for started condition. Oh, here two. Okay, immediate. I want to be as soon as possible. Again periodic. Again immediate. I want to periodic is nothing but job frequency. Every 1 hour is running, daily running, or weekly running, or monthly running. So I want to say daily, hourly running. Okay, this background job is immediate. Every hour is running. Then just click on save button. Nothing there. Just click on save button.
Job is released.
So what happened? The job is released. Okay, now where we check is above only. Already just above only can schedule. You see here, above only. What is our background job name? Where background job name is SAP underscore CPM. That is the first one. Yeah, that is the first one. Now see when you scheduling, what are the date and time, and what the status is. See the status.
Runs.
Yeah, it's a runs. The process is again right side scroll down, scroll left side, scroll left side. You're getting as a job information. Okay, and next one is getting as a okay variant name. Okay, next one hourly based on variant name, and by default you're getting the priority also. You don't get the priority by default you get the priority also. Who are scheduling? Everything will be displayed. Here you can monitoring. RS SM 30 second also you can monitoring. Okay, two methods is there. So this is a way of you want to scheduling as a standard background job. Actually, in real time, you can using as a standard background job as purpose. What is the purpose you want to schedule based nothing but so you want to delete the logs, any logs, okay, like printing logs, background job logs, any above dump error logs, any logs, you can scheduling as a background job. Okay, so this is the way how you want to scheduling. Sir, you don't getting any deletion button. You actually you are getting different. You are taking different. Okay, so you want to select one more background job. That background job is delete the overall background list. Okay, so this is the way of sorry, don't creating. You're just scheduling standard. SAP will begin some standard background job. You want just scheduling as per your requirement because of I want to clean up our system. Okay,
Okay.
so I want to clean up our system. Why I have to clean up my system is nothing but because okay, I want to go for every day. Okay, so I want to go for every day. Okay, I want to go for the every this here. So lot of logs is different. I want to delete the overall logs. It will take lot of time and lot of memory waste. So I want to scheduling as a background mode. I want to delete it easily by using this reports only.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the way up you want to scheduling as a standard background job and customizing background job. Okay, and the troubleshooting will be discussed tomorrow. And again, topic is not completed. So tomorrow we'll add this remaining session. And what are the conditions left out? Operation mode. There is one more important point. One more important on condition and how to do troubleshooting. As a basis consultant, directly I have to go for office. In SM36, how to troubleshooting like what are the background jobs is there, how you troubleshoot it, okay, how to react as per functional consulting will be discussed tomorrow. Tomorrow you can complete like
Okay.
background and spool administration.
Yeah.
Okay.
About I want to ask about Friday and Saturday.
Yeah.
So is that possible we can do Friday and Saturday like in my time? This is a UK time. So if UK time, say for example